Hi everyone, welcome back. I continue to try this Mediapipe solutions, these models, and also I'm trying to give you my test outputs, also how they look like, and so I'm just trying, and I'm sharing this with you. Okay. So actually lastly we tried this selfie segmentation, and today I want to try hair segmentation model. By the way, this page is totally outdated, so this is not updated. Even if you click this, there is no page found. So this is not updated. Also you can see it says supporting C++ but does not support Python, but actually it's opposite, I believe. Okay. Yeah, this, but at least this gives us an overview. At the end of this video I'm trying to show you a Python code with this result, so it's gonna somehow segment your hair. And also I tried and I gave a quite time to successfully build this hair segmentation via on C++ code, but with no success. I will still try, and if I can I will make a different video specific to C++. Even I tried with buzzer build and kind of things. There's already a C++ video with Mediapipe in my YouTube channel. I will continue in a different way with C++, but with Python everything is easy. So for this video I'm gonna show you the results with Python. Okay. Since this is outdated and this developed by Google, so this is the main page of the Google, which is in here. There is an overview, and here all you need to do is just going down, and there is a hair segmentation in here, and we can go to the info page, and this guiding, this addressing you to the GitHub page. Also you can check the code around here, because I couple of lines I just copied for my Python code which I needed. And here for the model, which is the most important one for at the beginning, so you can click to this one, and here you can reach to the model where is, for example, previously we got TensorFlow model via on the self segmenter link, and similarly here segmenter is here. Also there is the model card in here, how they are trained and how the detailed information related to the model, which is pre-trained. So this light model, by the way, if we click, also it's gonna easily download, which is very small size TensorFlow light model. All you need to do is just at the beginning, if you are gonna follow my video, just get this TensorFlow light model, and so you need to download, you need to install Mediapipe, and it's very easy. Also you can check my Mediapipe installation video. And then I'm gonna end up with this code. This is a very simple 20-line code. If you need, just email me. I'm gonna send you. Just couple of lines are important. The rest is very simple OpenCV things. And maybe at the beginning I just want to show you how it looks like. Just run it. Okay. So basically at the end we are getting this result, this input, and this is the output. And you see I'm trying to make my hair yellow. Actually, of course, it's not perfectly working, but it's working, right? That's the point. And you can make a different kind of colors. I currently make yellow, but I also added weighted to make it looks like real. Of course, it's not looks like real. And but yeah, also these going and back things, these are happening. But if you use a good trained model, actually I just wanted to show you at the beginning this light model, but with a good trained model I think this gonna looks like perfect. And with that perfect segmented result you can also play around. That's another problem which is making this hair looks like real. It's an artifact thing, so you need to little think and some randomize, some adding weight into the color, so it's gonna looks like real. But yeah, in some cases this is needed, and this Mediapipe is really giving a good result to us at the end. And yeah, this is the output. And if we talk about the code little bit, and it's all, first of all we are loading our TensorFlow light model by giving the path, and after that we are giving the default options via on this image segmenter options of the Mediapipe tasks. And also we are running our camera, webcam, and here we are creating the segmenter. And after that we are just simply checking if it's open. It's gonna continuously give us the frame of the video, and we are showing the input frame in here, and here we are converting since OpenCV is reading the images via on BGR channels, so we are converting to RGB because Mediapipe is developed by RGB, of course. And then this is the most important two lines. These are giving us the segmented hair result. And after that, here I'm just playing around to make it looks like real. I'm adding weight, and I'm playing, resizing and kind of things, the post-processing things, I can say. And after that I'm just showing the result. That's all. And at the end we see a result like this. You can play with the color. Currently I make yellow, but where is color? Oops. Okay, this is yellow, so BGR. So if you make like this, it's gonna looks like a red color, but with weight, of course. Yeah, you see, this is more realistic yellow. Yeah, because yeah, I think it's cool. At least working fine. And of course, maybe you can have some problems if you follow this video. So I just want to give you my pip list. I always do, because people sometimes need which versions I use. They cannot get the same results. So these are, you can stop and check some. These TensorFlow things are important. Where is that? By the way, this is working on CPU and it's faster even with CPU. These are TensorFlow versions. And yes, I think this is all done. And Mediapipe version, the important one also, 0.10 I'm using currently. Yes, I'm done. I think simply I just wanted to show you these results, and my target plan is about making it work with C++. If I can, I will make a different video for hair segmentation. And yeah, these are really cool models. These are, and I like to try them, and mostly they are useful. You can use in your applications. I think this is also open source, and the commercial is allowed. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.